Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. In this video we will learn how to restart window using keyboard keys. So watch the full video and let's start the video. So first of all, press Alt plus Control plus Delete on your keyboard. Then press the tab key to select the power button and click on that, and you see that press enter to expand the menu. So you can see that and click on restart. Select restart and then press enter. So guys, you can see that this takes some minutes or seconds, so please wait. You can see that our window has restart. So this is the all method to restart the window using keyboard. So I hope you will learn how to restart a window, and this method is very useful. If you have any another problem you use to on this method, after that your problem will be solved. You can see I use only keyboard key to restart my window. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video.